Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to be doing 3 ways to do a design Christmas tree. First, I'm going to apply the Pillar Box gel polish and I'm going to apply 2 coats. And cure 30 seconds. I'm going to do the same with my second tips. During the curing process, I'm going to prepare my third tips and I'm going to apply Serious Black. And cure for 30 seconds. As I'm working on tips, the base coat is not necessary, but if you are working on a natural nail, you will have to apply the base coat first and cure it for 60 seconds. To create this design, I'm gonna apply Urban Graffiti top coat first, and I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. For this design, I'm going to be using Snow White and Frost Shimmer from the Acrylic polymer pigment. I place a few drops of Snow White on my palette and with the detailing brush 0003, I'm going to pick some gel polish. I'm going to draw the back of the tree. There is a bubble in my white and yep, I don't want it. And now I'm going to make like a triangle shape, to represent the top of the Christmas tree. And to finish my design, I'm going to sugar the Christmas tree. Apply a lot of acrylic powder. More is better than less. And now I'm going to cure, but for 60 seconds, because as we do a sugar effect, it needs more time to cure it. For my next design, I'm going to be using 24 carats from the glitter collection and also Sphinx from the glitter collection as well. As usual, I put some drops on my palette. I'm going to draw like a long triangle shape with 24 carat. And flash cure, I'm gonna add some color with the Sphinx gel polish to make it more shiny because there is never enough glitter. And flash cure, now I'm using Snow White. With my detailing brush, I'm gonna draw some lines across the Christmas tree. And we're going to cure. I'm gonna add some few details. and flash cure. Now I'm going to apply the Urban Graffiti top coat. And I'm gonna place a small gem crystal onto the top of the bow and cure for a whole minute. For my last design, I'm gonna work with broken mirror. I'm gonna pick the glitter and place like a triangle shape. Look how beautiful it is, full of glitter. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to take my detailing brush and make some drops and flash cure. And we're going up and flash and cure for 30 seconds. Now we're going to protect our design with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And cure for 60 seconds. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used in this video are in this description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. And until next time, Merry Christmas and au revoir!